Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to connect Bluetooth device in Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone. So before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to go settings, then choose Bluetooth from here. Then you need to enable Bluetooth. Now you need to take out the Bluetooth device. So I will take the TWS earphone from the box. Now the TWS entered into the pairing mode. You can click the refresh icon from here. Now it will show the Bluetooth device name. It's a iRocker. I will choose that. Wait for a few seconds and click pair. Now the earphone is connected into the Bluetooth device. Now the TW is connected with the phone. I will check. I will play some YouTube video. It will play it into the earbuds. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.